Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today I am here with the remaining exercises of your chapter number 2, that is thank you friend. So students, let's have some grammar fun. So students, firstly you have to know about noun for doing this exercise. So students, you know very well the word that names a person, a place, an animal or a thing is a naming word. It means noun. Naming words are called nouns. So students, you can say that all the naming words are nouns. So students, here look at these words which are given here. Hunter. So students, what is a hunter? It is a name of a person. Now the second word is forest. So students, think, what is a forest? It is a place. The third word is crow. So you know very well, crow is a animal. Crow is an animal. Now the next word is net. So net is a thing. Okay. Now let's come to the exercise. Question number G. Write person, place, animal or thing for these words. So students, look here, some words are given. You have to write the noun of noun. It means which noun is it, like it is a person, thing, animal. Okay, so the first one is done for you. Girl. So girl is a person. So here person is written in the blank space. Now the question number 2, that is rope. So students, rope is a thing. So you have to write thing in the given space. The third one is deer. Deer is an animal. So you have to write animal in the blank space. Now the fourth one, that is chair. Chair is a thing. So you have to write thing in the blank space. Now the fifth one is tiger. So tiger is an animal. So you have to write animal in the given space. Now the sixth one is park. So student, park is a place. So you have to write place in the given space. Now let's come to the question number H. One word in each row is not a noun. Circle it. So students, look here. Here few words are given. You have here in a row one word is not a noun. You have to find that word and circle it. Like, let's come to the first one. Nest, tree, swim, leaf. So students, nest is a noun because it is a place where birds live. Tree is also a noun. But here you see swim as WIM, swim. Swim is not a person, not a place, nor a thing. So, swim is not a noun. So, here you have to circle the swim. Now, the second one, that is winter. Winter is the name of season. Next is flying. So, flying is not a noun. So, you have to circle the word flying because summer and monsoon are also seasons name. The third one, grass, city, river, sing. So, students, grass is a noun. City is also a noun. River is also a noun. But sing is not a noun. So you have to circle the word sing. Now let's look at the fourth one. That is sister. Walking, roam, fish. So here walking is not a noun. So you have to circle the word walking. Now let's come to the fifth one, that is zebra. High, mouse and whale. So here high is not a noun. So you have to circle the word high. Okay students, let's come to the communication skills. Listening and speaking. Here your teacher will read out some riddles. Circle the answer. So students, here I am going to read some riddles. You have to circle the answer. So listen carefully the first riddle. The option of first riddles are eyes and hair. So I am going to read a riddle about one of them. Okay? So listen carefully. What two things can always see? What two things can always see what the other sees, but can never see each other? So students, think, what two things can always see what the other sees, but can never see each other? Tell me, what is it? So students, our answer is eyes. You have to circle the word eyes. Okay? Now let's come to the second riddle. It is used for smelling. It is used for smelling things. And we take breath from it. So students, think from which part of body we smell things and take breath from it. Your options are neck and nose. So our answer is nose. So you have to circle the word nose. Now let's come to the third riddle. Listen carefully. This is a body part that help you to walk, run and play. This is a body part that help you to walk, run and play. So students, which body part help you to walk, run and play? Your options are back or feet. So here our answer is feet. Okay. Now let's come to the fourth riddle. I think you are enjoying these riddles. I am soft to touch. I am soft to touch. I live in mouth. I tells you the taste of food you eat. I tells you the taste of food you eat. Tell me, who am I? So students, you know very well we taste the food we eat from our tongue. So here the correct option is tongue. You have to circle the word tongue. Now students, let's come to the question number J. Talk to your partner. Ask what he likes to do at home on Sundays. So students, you can talk this to your brother and sister also. So you have to ask what he or she likes to do at home on Sundays. The first one is watch television. Second one is spend time with friends, help at home, sing or read. So students, you have to discuss this from your brother or sister. Now students, let's come to the writing skill. Question number K. What did the tortoise and the deer say to each other when they first met? Complete the dialogue. So students, here incomplete dialogues are given. You have to complete these dialogues. Don't be afraid, hunters never. So students, when the deer was chased by a hunter, she runs towards the three friends. Then the tortoise said, don't be afraid, hunters never come so far into the forest. So students, you have to write come so far into the forest in the given space. Now in second box you can see that here deer is saying I am. So you have to write safe now in the blank space. I am safe now. The deer said to tortoise that I am safe now. Now look at the third box. Why don't you? So students, after this the tortoise said to deer, why don't you stay with us? So you have to write stay with us in the given blank. Okay, hope you understand the remaining exercise by this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Do your homework regularly. So students, you have to write this from the PDF given in your WhatsApp group. You have to write this in your HW copy. Okay, thank you students.